Hey guys, Kenna here. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to go ahead and use the drawing tool inside of Google Docs. So if you take a look here, we are in the Modes of Natural Selection document that is for your assignment today. If you go down to the drawing, it says Answer. This is the part that you're going to go ahead and edit. You're going to double click on this and it will open this window for drawing. You then can go ahead and double click on this font area where it says answer and go ahead and type in your new answer. Let's say, for example, we're doing beaks size when we're looking at Darwin's finches, and we do something like medium beaks. Okay, I can do that for all of these as I go ahead and go through long beaks, etc. If I want to go ahead and add a curve for the generations later, I can click on this tool up here. It says line right now. I'm going to click on select line and go down to where it says curve. By selecting the curve, I can now go ahead and draw my own curves. I go ahead and put the cursor where I want to start it. I put a click, then I go to the peak of where I want to go to, and then I go down to where I want it to finish and double click, and this will create a line. Now, if I want to do anything with that, I can go ahead and go back to my selection tool over here, the arrow. I can hit Control C, Control V, and now, oops, undo that. And now if I grab that, I can take my second one and I can go ahead and slide it if we're dealing with directional selection here. I can then go ahead and grab the original one, which is about the same place as the first one. I can even change the view of how it looks. I can go to this part right here. This is line dash and switch it to something like this. So I have a dotted line. I can go ahead and go back to the curve and select arrow. Wherever you do your first point is going to be the tail. And then I can go ahead and take my arrow, click here. Oop, undo. And then hold down your cursor so that I can go ahead and click here, and I want my arrow to run this way. And then I can go ahead and label this as well. So I can go ahead and use the text box, and I can go ahead and put down here, medium beak. And you can change the font size and everything right here. If you want to switch it from Arial, that's fine as well. Okay, I can move this around, change the size of the box, text box, move my viewing window over, change the font. Let's say I want to go down to 12. Or you could copy and paste from the other one here. I go ahead and put my medium beaks here. Control C, Control V. Now I can move this one up here and make it say long beaks. Click out of it, click back on it, make sure I'm on the outside. Control C, Control V. And over here I can go ahead and put something like, extra long beaks. Okay, so and then if I want to go ahead and label it, I can even use a larger font. I can do something like directional selection. I can click on the outside here, make the font bigger. Say let's go up to 18. Go to luckiest guy. Maybe I don't even want to say selection. They're all going to be selection. And then I'll pull my box over so I can shrink it so that's that size. And this is a great skill to have for all sorts of different things, not just for this assignment, but you'll be able to use this in other classes as well. So you can see it's now labeled as directional selection. It has my arrow pointing the direction of motion. It's got the labels for medium, long, and extra long beaks, and you can see the original curve here that it shifted from. So this is kind of what I'd like you to do when you're doing drawings on this. If you want to go ahead and just do this by hand and insert pictures, or go ahead and take a picture of your handwritten portion, that's totally fine as well. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks, guys, and bye-bye.